Choosing an integration solution in 2026? There are over 270 options on the market. I reviewed 45 of the most popular solutions across 6 different categories. The average enterprise now spends $4.7 million per year on custom integration builds. That's developer time, maintenance, and constant rebuilding. By the end of this video, you'll understand which solutions fit which use cases, and why there's one approach that's fundamentally different from everything else. Over the past year, we've reviewed in-depth hundreds of different integration tools and solutions that can help enterprise businesses sync up processes and services across the enterprise. In this video, we'll go through the 6 key types of integration solutions and shortlist options for you to consider. Watch until the end to see a paradigm shift that will change the way you think of integrations forever. Let's start with traditional iPaaS, Integration Platform as a Service. These are cloud-based solutions that connect applications and data sources through APIs and low-code tools. Think of them as the foundation layer. They give you pre-built connectors, visual workflow builders, and the ability to map data between different systems. Here are 5 iPaaS solutions to consider. With iPaaS, you're still building and maintaining everything yourself. You own the design work, the implementation, the testing, the monitoring, and every update when APIs change. That $4.7 million per year, most of it goes to integration labor. 39% of IT time spent building and maintaining, and 98.5% of enterprises had to rebuild at least one integration this year. Next up, API management solutions. These are built for teams managing microservices architectures, creating API gateways, and handling service mesh environments. They excel at securing APIs, managing traffic, rate limiting, and creating developer portals. Perfect for organizations with complex API ecosystems. The limitation? They're focused on API infrastructure, not end-to-end business process integrations. Here are 5 API management solutions to consider. Data integration platforms focus on moving and transforming data for analytics and business intelligence. Pure ETL and ELT pipelines feeding data warehouses like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Redshift. They automate data synchronization, handle schema changes, and ensure data quality. Ideal for data teams building analytics infrastructure. The catch? They're optimized for data movement, not application-to-application workflow automation. Here are 5 data integration solutions to consider. Embedded iPaaS solutions are for software companies building customer-facing integrations directly into their products. White label ready, multi-tenant architecture, customer-controlled workflows. They let software vendors offer native integrations without building integration infrastructure from scratch. Great for product teams adding integration marketplaces. The limitation? They're designed for software vendors building integrations for their customers, not for enterprises integrating their own systems. Here are 5 embedded iPaaS solutions to consider. Enterprise integration suites from the major cloud vendors: IBM, Oracle, SAP, Microsoft Azure, and AWS. These are deep ecosystem plays with native connectivity to their platforms. If you're all in on one vendor's stack, their integration suite gives you cohesive tooling and enterprise support. The limitation? Vendor lock-in is real, and cross-platform scenarios get complicated. Here are the major enterprise suites. Finally, SMB automation tools, the easy entry points: Zapier, Make, N8N, IFTTT, Albato. Simple trigger action workflows, massive app libraries, no coding required. Perfect for small teams connecting SaaS apps quickly. The limitations? Task-based pricing scales poorly, complexity hits walls fast, and enterprise governance features are minimal. Great for departments, challenging for enterprise-wide deployments. Here are 5 SMB automation solutions. 6 categories, dozens of solutions. Each one solves specific technical problems effectively, but they all share the same fundamental limitation: their tools and platforms. You still own all the operational work. Every major IT discipline has evolved from tool-based to operations-based. DevOps transformed software delivery in the 2000s, not just CI/CD tools, but an entire operating model. SecOps transformed cybersecurity, not just security software, but security operations centers. AIOps is transforming IT operations right now. Integration is the last frontier. Integration Ops isn't another platform, it's an operating model shift, treating integrations as operational capabilities you run continuously, not projects you build once and maintain forever. From implementation to operation, from tools to outcomes. So what does this operating model shift look like in practice? ONEiO pioneered Integration Ops as a managed integration service, not a platform you buy and configure, a complete operational capability. The design, implementation, operation, and continuous monitoring are all handled by domain experts who live and breathe integration architecture. Your integrations adapt to business changes automatically because they're treated as operational infrastructure, not IT projects. No setup costs, flat rate pricing, 100% success guarantee. This is what happens when you shift from buying tools to buying operations. Want to understand the Integration Ops operating model in depth? I've linked to a comprehensive guide that breaks down the full methodology, explains the paradigm shift from tools to operations, and shows how enterprises are implementing it in 2026. It's free, link in the description. If this helped you understand the integration landscape differently, subscribe for more enterprise IT insights. The operating model shift is here. Thanks for watching.